Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I would get down and get straight to the point. If you guys want to see me go back in time, like a time travel, watch this. These are for people who are 38 and below. Watch this. Oh my God. Where's that? Oh man, look at that. The probability of this breaking is probably 2% versus the window motors. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you benefit out of this video in any shape, form, or way, hit that super thanks button. Thank you. And we just went back in time.